The next lesson is graphing proportional relationships. How to identify proportional relationships? So first you need to graph the quantities on the coordinate plane, or some of the planes will already be graphed. So there's two requirements and you need to have both of them for it to be proportional. First, the graph has to be a straight line. And second, the graph needs to go through the origin. If you do not remember, the origin is the point 0, 0. So right in the center of the graph. So if it has a straight line and goes to the origin, then it's proportional. If it only has one, it's not proportional. So you need to have both requirements. So make sure you keep that in mind. So look at this example. So they already have it graphed for us, and we're not going to spend a lot of time graphing since most of you already know how to graph. So it says the cost of renting center A and center B for a party is shown in the graph below. So center B is the red line, it's a straight line, and it goes through the origin. Center A is a blue line, it is also a straight line, but it starts at 0, 400, which is not the origin. So center A is not proportional because it does not pass through the origin. If you're looking right here, this is not the origin. Center B is proportional, okay, because it's a straight line and it passes through the origin. So it's pretty much that simple if it's already graphed for you. Center B is proportional, center A is not proportional. Our next example says the black mamba is the fastest snake in the world. The table shows the distance the snake travels for different miles. Is the distance the snake travels proportional to time? So for example, if we did not have this graph made for us already, you would have to create your own coordinates. So remember, in a table it always goes x, y. Whether it's top, bottom, or if it was side to side, it always goes x, y. So I can create my coordinates. So this would have been 0, 0. Okay, this one would have been 1, 5. This one would have been 2, 10. This one would have been 3, 15. And this one would have been 4, 20. So making the coordinates is pretty simple. So once you have your coordinates, you can graph it. They graphed it over here. There's all the points I just made. You would graph it on your coordinate plane, which you all know how to do. It creates a straight line, and it goes through the origin right here. So this means that it is proportional. So the distance is proportional. So that is pretty simple. We'll be doing a lot more examples in class tomorrow.